How to evolve Sliggoo in Pokemon Go. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basant, and today I'll guide you on how you can evolve Sliggoo in Pokemon Go. Now basically, to evolve Sliggoo into Godra, basically there you'll need to spend 100 gummy candies on a rainy day. So Sliggoo evolves into a Godra either when there is an active rainy lure model around or when the weather in Pokemon Go is rainy. Here's a step-by-step guide for getting it. What you can do is first evolve Gumi into Sliggoo. After that, you want to collect 100 Gumi candies and then activate a rainy lure module or wait for a rainy day. And then once you tap evolve on Sliggoo, you'll get Godra there. So this way you can evolve a Sliggoo, or you can evolve a Sliggoo to Godra in Pokemon Go. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.